chicken and veg stir-fry noodles. Let me show you how I make them. First, you're going to add some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, garlic and ginger, and some sriracha sauce to some sliced up chicken. Mix it well, and then you're going to leave it to marinate for about half an hour. Then you're going to add some oil to a pan, and you're going to add that marinated chicken to the oil. Fry on a high heat until all of your chicken is cooked through. Then you're going to remove the chicken from the pan, and you're going to set it aside. Then to the same oil, you're going to add in some vegetables, and you're going to cook on a high heat until they're slightly cooked but still crunchy. Next, we're going to add the chicken back in and mix, and then we're going to add in some noodles. Then once you've added the noodles, you're going to add in some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, sriracha sauce, and some hoisin sauce. And then you're going to mix everything together so it's fully combined. And then finally, I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions. And that's it. That's how I make my delicious chicken and veg stir-fry noodles. Enjoy!